Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to learn the trigonometry table using an easy method. We'll focus on the fundamental angles, 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. First, we'll master the sine values for these 5 angles with a simple trick. Then, you'll discover how effortlessly you can derive the cosine values directly from the sine values. This approach makes memorization much less daunting and more intuitive, helping you build a strong foundation in trigonometry. Let's dive into mastering sine values. Begin by writing the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 under your 5 key angles. Next, divide each of these numbers by 4. Finally, take the square root of each resulting fraction. For instance, for 30 degrees, you'll have the square root of 1/4, giving you 1/2. This simple, 3-step process quickly reveals all the sine values you need, making them easy to recall and understand. Now, let's tackle cosine and tangent with some clever tricks. To find the cosine values, simply reverse the order of the sine values you just calculated. For tangent, divide the sine value by the cosine value for each corresponding angle. For example, tangent of 45 degrees is 1 divided by 1, which is 1. Just remember that the tangent of 90 degrees is undefined. These steps allow you to complete your trigonometry table efficiently and accurately. To truly master this easy method, consistent practice is key. Make it a habit to regularly write out the entire trigonometry table from memory using the steps we've discussed. Then, apply these values to solve a variety of trigonometry problems. The more you practice, the more ingrained these patterns will become, solidifying your understanding and boosting your confidence. This systematic approach ensures you'll recall these values effortlessly whenever you need them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.